In this video, I will show you how to download Notepad++. It's an editor used for writing programs, so it is useful for writing Java programs also. Instead of using Notepad, some programmers use Notepad++ because Notepad is just a text editor. It is not meant for writing programs or program development. So Notepad++ is having some extra feature that is useful for programming. Let us learn how to download Notepad++ and how to write Java programs using Notepad++. Let us download now. So in Google, search for download Notepad++. Notepad++. Here is a link, notepad++.org. Go to this link, Notepad++. So these are various releases of Notepad++. You can download any release. Let us pick up the first one. Now here there are two versions available. One is for 32-bit operating system. Other one, if you scroll down, you will find the one for 64-bit operating system. You may be familiar that Windows is having 64-bit and 32-bit operating system, so you can install any version of Windows. Now whatever the version of Windows you have on your machine, you can download that version of Notepad++. So how to check what is the version available on my machine? So you can go to Start menu, type this PC. So here on the right hand side you can find properties of this PC. Click on this one. Now you remember when we were setting the path also, we have gone through these steps, right? So we went to advanced system settings. Like this is showing the details of your machine and the operating system. So if you read the line here, it says 64-bit operating system here. Okay, you can see the cursor moving here, 64-bit operating system. So this is 64-bit. So we will install 64-bit. So click on this installer link. This will start downloading. On the left hand side bottom, you can see that it is being downloaded. Okay, it is ready. So I will just double click it so that it starts installation. So Notepad++ installer, click yes. Okay, I will minimize this. Yeah, here you have to select language, so let it be English. Now you must be familiar with these steps. Otherwise, just you can go on clicking next, right? Next. Create a shortcut on desktop. If you want a shortcut appearing here, you can do that. I don't want that one. So install. Finished. This is installed. So this is also open. Once it has finished, now this is ready. Alright, so you can see the options that are more friendly for writing programs. Let us write a Java program. So say new, file, new. Now a new file is open. If you use a trackpad and like zoom in, so it will expand, it will increase the font size. Okay, so now let us write Java program here. Import java.lang.star. Okay, now class my first, I will give the class name as my first. Then inside this I will write on a method public static void main string args, and this here I will print hello world. System.out.println hello world. Okay, end of the program. Now program is ready. If you just zoom in, you can see the font size is increasing. So if you want bigger font, you can do that, and even you can do it from settings. Now let us save this program. So save the program. I have just typed it. Now where to save? Let us go to my PC, and inside that C drive, then go to my Java folder, and here give the file name as my first. Program name is my first.java. Now here you can see that you can set the type also, like types are there. So with this you can see there are so many extensions possible, like C++ source file, C#, and Fortran, Java source file, JavaScript, JSON. So it is supporting various languages. So it's a multi-purpose editor. It can be used for various languages. So we are now using it for Java. So give the name as myfirst.java and save it. So the program is saved. The moment I saved it as .java, you can see that the keywords of Java language are highlighted, like import and class, or public, static, these are highlighted. So it means if you save it beforehand, then you may be getting the colors for the keywords. Okay, program is ready. So now you can write on the program. Now let us see how to compile and execute the program. So for that, we will go to command prompt. So press window key and R. So this run box will appear. Inside that, type cmd for command, then come to the root folder, cd /, then cd myjava, then check dir. So first.java is present here, right? Now compile it, java c myfirst.java, right? So my m and tab, if you press tab, it will take the complete name, right? So then compile. Yes, it is error free. I will clear the screen. Now I will run my first. That's it. Hello world is appearing. So this is very simple. So it's more like Notepad, but it is better than Notepad because it is supporting some color codes for the keywords and other things in a language. Line numbers are also given here, and it is an editor for writing programs. Okay, so this is better than Java. So if you prefer writing the program and compiling and executing at command prompt, then you can go for this Notepad++. All right, so it's your choice. I may be using NetBeans in my course, right? At most of the places I will be using NetBeans. In the beginning I am using Notepad, later on I will be using NetBeans. So that's all in this video. Follow these steps. These are all simple steps. And if you miss anything, if you face any difficulty, just you Google it, you get a lot of help from there. So this installation is a simple process. You can get the help from Google also. All right. So that's all in this video.